Hey, what's up YouTube? Just posting another video of an accessory that I added onto my quad here. It's called the Tusk tack hour meter. I installed it. Normally people install underneath the seat, somewhere right here under the tank area, but I didn't want to do that because I just didn't think that I wanted to keep taking my seat off all the time just to see it. I just thought it looked cleaner where I installed it right now. What I did was I went ahead and of course I wrapped it around the plug 5 or 6 times right here. Used some black tape, not a zip tie for that, because zip tie I could see it, the wire just backing out. Then I used zip ties right along the plug wire up to the coil. Doing this, there's a protective coating on that wire, and I kept the tack hour meter wire on top of that to try to keep it away from some of the heat here. I know people are gonna say, the exhaust is too hot, but you have this coolant hose here, which is super hot as well. And regardless, it has to go somewhere and routed either in the box or over to where I have it. And what I did was mounted this nicely up in here, zip tied it, tucked in real nice to the headlight bracket. And then I just 3M taped it right here to the fender, just below the reverse switch. And it came out pretty good. Everything works nice. Tachometer seems to be functioning good. When the unit is powered off, you actually see the hours on the machine all the time. And when you go to start the bike, it'll turn into RPM mode by itself. So that's a pretty neat feature. Pretty happy with the install. And all right, that's it for now. When I do other accessories or mods, I'll be back. Take care, like and subscribe if the video is any interesting to you at all, and I'll keep them coming.